Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today's video we shall be looking at subordinating conjunction, definition, types, and examples. Let's get started. I felt before I thought. I felt is an independent clause. Before is a subordinating conjunction. I thought is a subordinate clause. All about subordinating conjunctions. No more worry if you're looking for subordinating conjunction definition, example sentences, rules, and all. You've arrived at the right video. Give it a full watch to know all about subordinating conjunctions. What is a subordinating conjunction? A subordinating conjunction is a type of conjunctions that connects a subordinate clause, a sentence or part of a sentence which adds extra information to a main clause to an independent clause, a sentence or part of a sentence to which a subordinate clause adds extra information. According to the definition of subordinating conjunction above, the following facts about subordinating conjunctions should be clear to you. A subordinating conjunction is a word or a phrase, a combination of two or more words. A subordinating conjunction introduces a subordinate clause. A subordinating conjunction links a subordinate clause to an independent clause. Have a look at the below given image in order to understand what a subordinating conjunction, a subordinate clause, and an independent clause are. I felt before I thought. I felt is an independent clause. Before is a subordinating conjunction. I thought is a subordinate clause. Subordinating conjunctions include but are not limited to when, whenever, where, wherever, while, as, since, because, after, before, if, in case, until, unless, whereas, as soon as long as much as, just as, so that, though, although, as if, even though, as though, even if only, if then, in order that, now that, provided that. Subordinating conjunction example sentences. A. If he fails, he will be disappointed. B. You can't easily understand the aesthetic judgment by Kant because it's very difficult. C. Tell me before you call him. D. As soon as I arrive at the station, I'll let you know. Now that you've gone through the major points of the text, you can understand it easily. Types of subordinating conjunctions with examples. Subordinating conjunctions of time. When, whenever, while, until, once, before, after, as soon as long as. Subordinating conjunctions of time examples. A. Inform us when he arrives. B. Whenever you get a chance, call me. C. I was reading while he was cooking. D. We have to wait here until he comes. E. Once you're done with eating, you can accompany us. F. I felt before I thought. G. You can go after I grant you permission. H. All the students become silent as soon as the teacher comes in. I. You can stay at home as long as you like. J. I saw John as I came out of my office. Subordinating conjunctions of place. Where, wherever. Subordinating conjunctions of place examples. A. Where there is problem, there is politics. B. Wherever you go, death will reach you. Subordinating conjunctions of cause. Reason and purpose. Because, since, as, in order that, so that. Examples. A. Because you don't know, you can't say anything about it. B. Since he was sick, he didn't attend the class yesterday. C. As we know what it means, we will not define it. D. In order that you can locate where his house is, please follow the map. E. I will go to the market so that I can meet you there. Subordinating conjunctions of comparison. Than, just as if, as though. Examples. A. He is better than she is. He is just as honest as his father is. C. It seems as if / as though they have not met before. Subordinating conjunctions of contrast. Whereas, while / whilst. Examples. A. He is nice whereas his brother is rude. B. I like to eat popcorn while / whilst I'm watching a movie. Subordinating conjunctions of condition. If, even if, in case, provided that, on condition that. Examples. A. If you don't leave for the station right now, you'll miss the train. B. Even if you take the fastest route, you'll miss the train. C. Take the umbrella with you in case it rains. D. You can overcome this issue provided that you follow the right course. You're allowed on condition that you don't violate the rule. Coordinating conjunction vs. coordinating conjunction. A. Similarities between coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. 1. Both coordinating and subordinating conjunctions are types of conjunction. 2. Both coordinating and subordinating conjunctions are words or combination of words. 3. Both coordinating and subordinating conjunctions do the task of connecting. B. Differences between coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. 1. A coordinating conjunction connects ideas of equal importance, while a subordinating conjunction connects less important ideas with more important ones. 2. A coordinating conjunction joins two clauses, sentences of equal grammatical rank, two nouns, verbs, adverbs, etc. While a subordinating conjunction joins two clauses of unequal grammatical rank. 3. A coordinating conjunction joins two independent clauses, main clauses, whereas a subordinating conjunction joins a subordinate or dependent clause with a main clause. 4. A coordinating conjunction makes a sentence compound, while a subordinating conjunction makes a sentence complex. Subordinating conjunction worksheets. Question 1. Can you show the subordinating conjunctions used in the below given sentences? A. The teacher didn't let me in because I was late. B. I'll tell you if you conceal it. C. Think before you speak. D. You can understand it provided that you work hard. E. She is better than he is. Question 2. Can you distinguish between the subordinating and coordinating conjunctions given below? A. And, but, so, that. B. So, although, for. C. If, nor, yet. Frequently asked questions. Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction definition and meaning. A subordinating conjunction links a subordinate clause to a main clause, as in, he came here because he wants to meet you. Subordinating conjunction example sentences. A. The teacher didn't let me in because I was late. B. I'll tell you if you conceal it. C. Think before you speak. D. You can understand it provided that you work hard. E. She is better than he is. Is when a subordinating conjunction. Yes, the word when is a subordinating conjunction, which shows time by connecting a subordinate clause to a main clause, as in, inform me when he comes here. Is and a subordinating conjunction? No, and is not a subordinating conjunction, but rather it's a coordinating conjunction. Is which a subordinating conjunction? No, the word which can be a question word and be the subject of a sentence, or a relative pronoun which introduces a dependent clause. Is for a subordinating conjunction? No, for is not a subordinating conjunction, but rather it's a coordinating conjunction. Is because a subordinating conjunction? Yes, because is a subordinating conjunction which introduces a subordinate clause. Is as a subordinating conjunction? Yes, as is a subordinating conjunction. As can be a subordinating conjunction of time or reason. Is after a subordinating conjunction? Yes, after is a subordinating conjunction of time which connects a subordinate clause to a main clause. Subordinating conjunction suwabi. SWABI are subordinating conjunctions which stand for since, when, after, before, and if. Is if a subordinating conjunction? Yes, if is a subordinating conjunction which links a conditional subordinate clause to a main clause. Is but a subordinating conjunction? No, but is not a subordinating conjunction, but rather it's a coordinating conjunction. Is that a subordinating conjunction? No, that is not a subordinating conjunction. That can be a relative pronoun which introduces a relative clause. Is so a subordinating conjunction? So is a subordinating conjunction when it shows purpose, and so can also be a coordinating conjunction when it shows result. Is before a subordinating conjunction? Yes, before is a subordinating conjunction which shows time. Is although a subordinating conjunction? Yes, although is a subordinating conjunction of concession. Is while a subordinating conjunction? Yes, while is a subordinating conjunction which shows time. Is since a subordinating conjunction? Yes, since is a subordinating conjunction which tells cause or reason. Is then a subordinating conjunction? No, then is an adverb and not a subordinating conjunction. Is during a subordinating conjunction? No, during is not a subordinating conjunction, but rather it's a preposition which shows time. Is unless a subordinating conjunction? Yes, unless is a subordinating conjunction of condition which shows condition. Is until a subordinating conjunction? Yes, until is a subordinating conjunction which shows time. Is who a subordinating conjunction? Who is a relative pronoun which introduces a relative clause. Is however a subordinating conjunction? However is a conjunctive adverb. Complex sentence with subordinating conjunction. A. I came here because I want to talk to you. B. I'll tell you if do it for me. C. Since he was ill, he didn't attend the class. D. Take the umbrella with you in case it rains. E. Don't worry as soon as I'm with you. Is once a subordinating conjunction? Yes, once is a subordinating conjunction which shows time. Is whenever a subordinating conjunction? Yes, whenever is a subordinating conjunction which shows time. Is then a subordinating conjunction? Yes, then is a subordinating conjunction which shows comparison. Is about a subordinating conjunction? No, about is a preposition and not a conjunction. Is even though a subordinating conjunction? Yes, even though is a subordinating conjunction. Is in a subordinating conjunction? No, in is not a subordinating conjunction, but rather it's a preposition. What is the function of a subordinating conjunction? The primary function of a subordinating conjunction is that it connects a dependent clause to an independent clause. So, this is the end of this video about subordinating conjunction, definition, types, and examples. Thanks for watching.